Hey, Chef and More here, and we're making zucchini noodles quick and easy today. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of food, homemade, easy, and simple, subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos and hit that bell so you'll always get notified. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and chop up our tomatoes so that we can get them all roasted. Just a rough chop, nothing fancy. We're going to roast them at about 450 degrees for about 10 or 15 minutes. Now for our zucchini noodles. You want to first just cut off both ends of the zucchini noodles. Discard them. You don't need that part. We're going to be using a hand grater. You want to use the larger part. That's this part at the top. Use that part and just grate straight down the zucchini. That's it. Just keep grating straight down the zucchini. You want the green part as well as the white part. So you just rotate the zucchini from side to side until you have it all grated. And it doesn't take long. See, we have a few done right here so you can kind of see what it looks like. And we're just going to go ahead and finish grating them and come back when we're done. Here we go. We're all done with all our zucchini. Now all we have to do is put our dish together. See how quick and easy that was? Just takes a couple of minutes. So you just want to layer the zucchini on the bottom and put a few of the tomatoes on top. You can mix it all together. I do that too. But today we're just going to lay our zucchini in here and put a few of our tomatoes on top. And there you have it, guys. We have our zucchini noodles all done. Hit the subscribe button, guys, so you won't miss any of my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of this video. And leave me some comments down at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, you'll always get notified. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.